Alright guys, so setting a custom status in Discord is actually extremely easy. So if you guys look over on the right hand side right here, you guys can see that I have a custom status and it's saying to subscribe for 5 years of good luck. So, first you guys should subscribe. Second, let me show you how to actually do this. So you guys want to come down to the bottom left hand side right here and left click on the user icon right here. Then inside of here, you guys want to go to edit custom status right there, click it, and then you guys can set it to whatever you want. For example, I can set it to hello there, and then clear after, and then this basically is how long the custom status takes to actually clear. So if you guys want to just disappear after 4 hours, you can highlight that. For me, I'm going to keep it to do not clear, so it never clears it. And then just hit save, and your custom status should be right here on the right hand side. And boom, you guys just changed your custom status. Hope you guys enjoyed today's tutorial and have a great rest of your day. Peace out.